Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Nokia 5165. I know it's going to be probably really good because it's a Nokia. We're going to go a little bit higher than head height because this thing's going to be a beast. So backdrop in 3, 2, 1. I'll say it's probably about 6.5 feet, roughly. Maybe took some damage right here on the very bottom of the battery. Nothing bad at all. Maybe a little bit right here too. I'm drop testing this one. There's another one I'm doing the giveaway when I get home. I'm going to start it. And it's in a lot better shape than this one, so. So now we're going to do the corner drop. About 6.5 feet. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, taking a look at it. This thing's definitely going to break the asphalt. It's going to crack it. Looks like it hit right here on the corner. Maybe a little bit on this side as well. Still looks to be in really good shape though. I think this one's going to do really good on the throw test. Let's go ahead and do the face down. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, you can see the battery came unhooked from that drop. Oh, it broke the LCD, guys. Oh, that sucks. I was really expecting a little bit better. Took some nicks down here at the bottom. Hit right around here on the top plastic. I'm kind of surprised it cracked the LCD, guys. Huh. Alrighty, I guess we're going to go ahead and move this out and I'll get the throw test ready. Alrighty guys, we are ready to go for the throw test. Got the Note 8 out there. The Nokia is ready with his busted LCD now. And the Note 10 Plus is down there. So in 3, 2, I'm going to throw this one a little high too. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so here's the face plate over here. I don't think that one got on the Note 8 at all. The keypad and the face plate. Let's go and put those back together. The screen did crack, so I'm expecting an LCD broken now. Even worse. Oh, look at that battery. Looks like it hit right there on the bottom corner. Cracked the bottom housing right here. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and slide the faceplate back in. See it right here. I was expecting a little bit worse. It's not too bad. It did crack the bed of the screen. I'll have to check to see if that was from the face down drop or the throw drop. This right here is a scratch, but this one right here, the little bitty one, the actual crack. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.